QSSI is a true manufacturer with over 35 years of experience in electrical and lighting products. Our 5 U.S. locations are strategically placed to support quick service anywhere in the country. Our facilities are located in Tampa, Florida, Vancouver, Washington, Walden, New York, Memphis, Tennessee, and Cerritos, California. Each of our locations have a complete showroom, allowing customers to experience our products firsthand and offer employee education and training. Each facility builds products to order with a 98% fill rate within 3 days and a one-piece minimum order. Fixture kits and products are manufactured in our facilities and regularly delivered and placed into inventory. QSSI has invested in extensive inventory at each location with the philosophy of never run out. Our skilled production personnel assemble LED fixtures according to all required safety standards. Manufactured fixture housings are combined on the line with LEDs, drivers, and controls in the exact configuration needed for your project. QSSI has earned a reputation in LED technology by manufacturing all of our own LED arrays and optics. U.S. assembly meets the Buy American Act COTS under the products category. All fixtures are 100% tested. Standard fixtures can be customized in-house to meet customer project requirements. QSSI does bollard cutting, pole cutting, and custom color powder coating. We have a wide variety of products, including bollards, full cutoff wall packs, full cutoff area lights, and architectural decorative fixtures. Our rapid ship program allows us to deliver products when you need them. Products are carefully packaged and loaded for quick shipping. At QSSI, items are always in stock and ready to deliver. Products are shipped directly to the job site using experienced trucking companies that are familiar with poles and luminaires. QSSI has invested in facilities, inventory, and manufacturing systems to provide consistent, quality products for your project for over 35 years. Check out all of our products at QSSI.com.